Hey everyone, this is James, and in this video I'm just going to give you a quick peek at standalone memory, how you can use it, what it's mainly good for. And I've actually already written two scenes to the memory. I used them for Halloween, just kind of run some 6-1 parts. So what I can do is, even without patching anything, I can literally just go to any screen really, open up the tools, standalone, and it picks up my interface, and it's telling me which it's got something written in there, and so if I hit read, it's gonna send that info to the program. So it's read it, and it successfully wrote it to a file on the show. So I mean, you can see there's nothing in here because this is the scene that was here by default. This is the scene that I had stored to the memory. So if you have more than one scene, you can open up a new file, then write it back to the software. So that part's pretty cool. And I only had one fixture, so like a 6-in-1. Let's say it was a hex, it's a 5p hex on 6-channel mode. Just hit one, not that one. It's a 12p hex on 6-channel mode. And so now if I go to edit, it literally is just taking what I wrote from memory and applying it to that fixture. It wasn't dependent on which fixture I had patched. It didn't automatically patch that fixture in for me, but it's just applying the data to the channels that you've patched. So I'm going to go ahead and click play and see what I wrote for my Halloween. You can see the channels going up and down a little bit. You can see the colors being affected. So, I mean, that was my little Halloween loop that I did on Halloween for my house. So that's really interesting, is where you can just sort of, if you already have something there, you can write it to there. And so, but say I don't want this there. I still want, say I've got a few more of these. Okay, put in 3 more times. Make the edit, make a new scene. I'm not using more than my 60 channels of standalone. That's for sure. So, because I'm only using 24 channels, but I've only got up to 60 channels for free included with my 3.0 box. So just keep that in mind. You only get 60 channels free. If you need more than 60 channels, you can buy them in increments of 50 channels on the web store. So I'm just going to start programming random stuff here, and make another step, do that, another step, not that button, there we go. Switch this over to HSV and make a fan from left. Looks good. Keep that as a step, and then we'll just go here and have everything loop. Short hold time, so it's kind of fast, but just all steps. So I'll just make another scene, kind of like the same deal. So it's way over there. Let's move it closer. UV with maybe, instead of all that, just a little touch of red. It's always a nice color. And we'll do these. Just a touch of amber instead. Just kind of mix it up a little bit. So I mean, obviously I don't need this scene. Let's get rid of it. Yes. So yeah, we've got these 3 scenes here now, and I'd say I want to write all these to the interface memory now. I just go to standalone. I'm gonna clear the memory from the memory that was built in already. And so I'm gonna take these, drag and drop them there, and I'm gonna click write. We ran successfully. Click OK. So just remember that we've got, you know, these little these 3 here, and if you truly want to test what it's if it worked or not, you can literally just make a new show file. And go to Tools, Standalone, and read the interface memory and see if your stuff is still there. Obviously you're just gonna have an extra one by default, but that's how it is. So you know, it's not gonna show anything because there's nothing patched. But if I just go and patch, you know, 3, 4 again, edit, boom, 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 everything's back the way it was. You just got to remember to patch the lights in that you had before, or that you used to program. So I hope this kind of shows you like a quick way on what standalone is for. You can use it like I did to write stuff to one file, then to get it back into a different file. But really the intent is for, if I'm done with the computer, I literally just give the interface power through the USB cable, you know, wall adapter, whatever. And each one is, you're gonna get 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3 for playbacks, and they'll play back the scenes that you made. You know, the static scene. They'll start playing all these steps on just that one light. Then they'll start playing this sequence. And they'll start playing that sequence. And so, yeah, that's the quick and easy, quick and dirty look into standalone memory. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you kind of understand exactly how super easy it is to do, you literally just drag and drop, you know, and you can clear the memory. Done. So you can read the memory, which will write it to the software, not to, and then can also test the memory. So that's how you do standalone. I hope this helps. Any questions? Post them in the comments. Find the Facebook group. Ask us there. Email support@americandj.com. And thanks for watching.